So why did I stop using Builderall for my affiliate marketing business? In this video, I'm not only going to show you why I stopped using Builderall, I'm also going to show you the best Builderall alternative that's completely free, and I actually believe that its affiliate program is even better than Builderall's. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you how Builderall is actually more expensive than you think it is, and that a lot of people won't actually tell you. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making money online every single video, every single day. If I can, I try to upload as much as I can and give you all the heat imaginable. Now let's get into the video. So first of all, let's do a fair comparison here of Builderall and exactly what it is that you get when you sign up for Builderall. If you're still on the fence, if you've heard a lot about it, or if you even have it right now, then you might be familiar with what is included with Builderall, and it sounds like a lot, okay? It sounds like a whole lot. Collect and manage unlimited leads, send unlimited emails, build sophisticated complete sales funnels, access everything, yada yada yada. You get the idea. And Builderall comes with a lot of different features: video hosting, best and fastest drag and drop website builder, at least they claim that it is, membership websites, e-learning, I mean, you name it. There's a lot in here, and it definitely seems enticing. Run your own affiliate program, one tier or multi-tier, booking calendar. There's a lot going on in here, okay? Chat builder, blog builder, etc., etc. There really is a lot going on in here. I'll give them credit. I used Builderall for a little while in my affiliate marketing business, and it was pretty good, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna blow smoke up your butt, okay? I'm gonna tell you it's okay. The website builder itself, a little confusing, has a little bit of a learning curve. I used to use ClickFunnels all the time. So going from ClickFunnels to Builderall, it is a learning curve. It's different. Just the way it's set up, it's very different. On the other side here, you can see who Builderall is for. They list all these different occupations and businesses and whatnot. They pretty much try to include, when they say Builderall, it's a great name brand. It's great branding, I should say, because look, they're really trying to include everybody. This is supposed to be your all-in-one tool. It does everything for everybody on planet Earth except affiliate marketers. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and that's your main business, I'm going to tell you how Builderall is not only a bad option for you, but it's actually more expensive than you really need to spend on anything in more ways than one. I'm going to reveal to you later on in this video exactly what I'm talking about. What do I mean by it's really expensive? It's actually costing you a ton of money, because if we come up here to the pricing, okay, we look at the pricing here. If we look at the plans, you can see what Builderall's plans are broken down into. The Cheetah version, or whatever they call it, is the lowest, and it's $14.90 per month. And then it starts going up from there, $69.90, $79.90, you name it, etc., etc., right? Two gigabytes of disk space. Honestly, I'm not even sure what disk space means. Like, what do you need this for? I have no idea. I've never had an idea. I don't know why I don't know what they mean. I really don't. I don't know what they mean. One domain, etc., etc. You can see all the differences on this chart, what you get, what you don't get, VA access. It's not bad, but I'm going to tell you why in a minute, how it is bad if you're doing affiliate marketing, or if you're using Builderall even to promote it as an affiliate. There's actually another platform that's much more effective, and you may not have heard of it. It's kind of new, it's kind of growing in popularity, and it's completely free. If you like this video, if you like what I'm talking about, you like the hot fire I'm giving you right now, make sure you smash that like button before we move forward, because I'm the infamous Joel, and all I ask you to do when I do all this research and I give you all this free stuff is that you hit that like button, okay? Now, real quick, I'm going to illustrate for you exactly what I mean when I'm talking about it's more expensive than you think. Let's take the $14.90, I think, $14.90 per month or whatever it was, which is like the lowest tier that they have. You may think to yourself, oh, $14.90, that's really, really cheap. That's really affordable. I can get that. But here's the thing, okay? Builderall bills itself, right, as the all, right? All meaning you saw how many tools that it has. The chat builder, the this thing, the that thing, the magazine, whatever. There's a ton of stuff in Builderall. So what tends to happen, I've been in affiliate marketing for almost 3 years, going on 4 now, And I've seen it all. And I've seen so many newcomers come in. I even referred people to Builderall in the beginning. And I noticed this because I really care about people's results. And you can see my testimonials on this channel, all the clients that I've worked with in the past. And here's what happens. All of a sudden, because Builderall does so much, it actually divides your time. Because there's so much busy work going on. There's so much, oh, Builderall does this ebook stuff, so I'm going to go build some ebooks. Builderall lets you do all this magazine, all the, whatever. It has so much going on, chat builders and all this other stuff. It has so much going on that the average beginner never actually starts making any kind of money because they start doing all this busy work stuff. And what happens if, let's say you go into the chat builder, the chat bot builder thing, and you start saying to yourself, man, this is so cool. I can build like a chat bot sequence thingy. And once I set it up, man, that'll be so cool. It'll get me so much money and really build my affiliate business. But what actually happens is once you start doing this, you start building out that chat sequence or whatever, it actually leads you down more rabbit holes. And you say, wow, the chat sequence thing, it would be really cool if I had an ebook with this. Good thing I have an ebook builder. Oh, I should also give away like a free course. Good thing I have a course builder thing. Oh, I should also do this. And then the next thing you know, it's been 3 months, it's been 6 months, it's been all this time, and you haven't made a single penny yet in your affiliate marketing business because you've been spending more time building it than you have actually going out and promoting affiliate products and services. I've seen this a million times. This is extremely common. So this is like another form, another level of shiny object syndrome. We all know, if you've been in affiliate marketing for any time, and if you're not, shiny object syndrome is when you go around just buying a bunch of stuff because it looks shiny, because it looks cool. Okay, you're kind of new to the world. Really, affiliate marketing is extremely simple. Okay, but here's the thing. That's what ends up happening. The real truth to all success online is that you do very simple work. Okay, one thing. Okay, one thing. You focus on that, right? And that gets you the actual results. When you have this work that's really spread out, unfocused, and all over the place, you end up doing busy work. I call it the busybody. Okay, you just end up doing a bunch of different stuff. All of your energy is unfocused. You're not doing anything that actually gets you the result, which is right here. Okay, the result, that's what you're going for. You really need to keep things simple. And that's why I stopped promoting and stopped using Builderall, because I started even seeing it in myself. I started saying to myself, oh my God, like I'm doing all this busybody work because it has so many tools and so much stuff, most of which isn't even applicable, doesn't even help you in your affiliate marketing business. You really don't need all those bells and whistles. It's way too much. An affiliate marketing business, an effective affiliate marketing business looks more like this. All you need to do is generate traffic, right, to some kind of content, right? Doesn't matter what platform it is. It might be here on YouTube, might be on Facebook, might be on TikTok, to the content, to your funnel, right? You set up your little funnel. It's a very simple funnel, and then to a sale. And that's it. That is absolutely 100% it. This should take no more than a day to set up, right? Your funnel is being the main thing. It's really, really simple to set up a funnel. It takes about a day. And then that's it. You're ready to go. Your business is up and running. And you're ready to create content, right? Create this. And that is essentially the driving force behind your entire business. Now you're going to start generating sales over time. And that's it. That's a whole affiliate marketing business. You set it up in one day. And then and you can just move forward. But what happens with Builderall is it has so much pretty stuff that it's like, man, I just want to keep setting stuff up. It's so cool, all these bells and whistles and whatnot. So when I say it actually costs you more money than you think, what I'm talking about is a concept called time value of money. When you're losing time, you're losing money because it's opportunity cost. Really, you should be focusing on this, making sales. And you don't need a whole lot to be making sales. Okay, you don't need a whole lot. I keep things very simple, and I teach my clients to keep things very simple. If you click on the link down in the description below, you can see the funnel that's set up for my course. You can purchase my course if you want, and you can see all the testimonials in there of all the clients I've helped quit their 9 to 5. And the secret is just keep things simple. The simpler your business is, the simpler your affiliate marketing stuff goes, you know, just step by step, just do it real simple, the quicker you'll get to sales and actual mastery, okay, to sales and actual income. Just keep it extremely simple. Now, in the next part of this video, I'm going to introduce you to the alternative I was talking about, the big secret sauce, the one that's coming up and destroying the competition right now. I'm telling you, I use ClickFunnels, I use Builderall, I use Kartra, I use all these different funnel builders and all these different things all the time, okay? Like, I was using this stuff for years. It was really expensive. It had way too much going on. Customer support was horrible. Like, they all had pros and cons, right? I don't want to poo-poo on them too much. Builderall had its pros and cons. ClickFunnels had its pros and cons. But right now, I am in love with this service right here. This is called System.io. And if you click the link down in the description below, you can get started completely for free. And it's free forever, as it says right here. It's free. I'm not joking. It's not a 14-day free trial. It's not a 30-day free trial. It's free. Like, you have an account and that's it. Now, a lot of people enjoy Builderall for the 2-tier affiliate program. I'm here to tell you, System.io also has a 2-tier affiliate program. Now, how much easier is it to sell somebody something that's free than it is to convince them, hey, Builderall costs money? You can always just have people sign up to the free account, and if they choose to upgrade later, guess what? You start getting that residual monthly recurring income, and most people will choose to upgrade. They will, because it's completely free, and they start building income, especially if they're in affiliate marketing. They start building up income, start building up their affiliate business, and they say to themselves, man, I'm getting a lot of contacts, I'm getting a lot of results here. You can see the pricing, how it starts working. It's completely free up to the first 2,000 contacts, and they start building out their list. They start building out their business. They say, man, I want to upgrade and get to the unlimited, which is $97 a month. And here's the other beautiful part. Remember how I was saying that Builderall has way too much going on? System.io keeps things very simple. Look, all you have is sales funnels. You can do blogs if you want. All this can be ranked on Google too for all you bloggers out there. It has your email automation, which is essential in affiliate marketing, right? Your email campaign, so you don't need GetResponse or any of the other stuff. It has all that included. It has deadline funnels, which I enjoy because I like doing webinars and stuff. But you can also run your own affiliate program. It has an affiliate program, like I said, that's 2-tier. And if you actually wanted, you could make your own course. It has unlimited students for your courses. You can make mini courses that are like a lead magnet, stuff like that. It has pretty much the essential pieces to an affiliate marketing business that you need, and that's it. So that it doesn't have too many shiny objects all over the place and gets you distracted and keeps you from making income. So many people using Builderall as an affiliate don't make any income or have very little because they're so tied up doing all this stuff that they think they need to do when they really don't. Okay, so sign up for your free account down below. And if you want more info and more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and the different tools that I recommend, click on this playlist right here. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.